Hi, my name's Scott. Today we are reviewing this heavy-duty safe. First, let's go ahead and show you some accessories. They give you a instruction manual. Then if we take a look in here, we have little legs, very nice gold trim. You have one set of keys, another set of keys. You have bolts for bolting it into the floor or a wall. And then you have a battery backup, which we'll go over in a little bit. So this is the safe. It's not terribly heavy, which makes it a great overall medium-sized safe. Let's go ahead and peel this off. I love the gold trim. It really just screams class. Now, of course, it's a little dusty and dirty, so once we clean it up, it's going to look even better. You have your keypad right on here. Slide this open to access your keys. Press in right here, and this should open up. There we go. That will open up to another key lock. Overall, nice size. So you're going to have two options of opening this safe. Your first option will be place this key inside here and turn it. Take the other key, line it up, and open up the safe. Remove these little pieces. Those are just to protect it. All right. Now this is what it looks like on the inside. Let's go ahead and move this down. So this is just a little thin felt that just goes there. You have a shelf up here that is removable, so you can take this shelf out if you want. You can see in the back there's two holes. That allows you to bolt it. I don't think, not that I can feel, I don't think there's any holes on the bottom, but you can drill your own with titanium bits. It is very spacious inside, so plenty of room inside. And again, if you want, you can remove the shelf just like this, and now this opens up to a very large safe. So now you have all this room for tons of stuff, and you can always add the shelf back in if you want. On the side here, you can hang different keys and different things. If you have jewelry like a expensive necklace, you could double loop it and hang it on here. Here you can see the deadbolts. You got 3 on the side. If we go ahead and take a look up top here, press this and lift up. We see it takes AA batteries. Let's go ahead and put some in. Okay, once you have your batteries placed in here, you're going to hear it beep a couple times. We're going to go ahead, and there's going to be a green button right here. If you press that, go ahead now and put your code in. Let's just say 3333 pound. There we go. So that's the there you go. Cannot open it. So that's the password, and now we're just going to do press pound 3333 pound, and now it's open. There we go. So let's recap a little bit. First option, you can use both sets of keys. Second option, you can use just this key and the passcode. So you'll press pound 1 2 3 4 pound, and it opens up. Without entering the password, you can't use this key for opening. It's just a safety feature. So if you, what I actually kind of do is just leave this key in, because it doesn't really matter. They can't get access with this key unless they either have this key or your password. Now again, pound, and you can go ahead and press this. You know, again, by the way, there is a light inside here as well, which gives you some light. So we're going to press that again. And now we can enter whatever code we want. So for entering a code, again, press the green button, enter your well, I think you can do a little more than 4 digits, but enter your code, then press pound, and it will lock it in, and that's going to be your password. Overall, an amazing safe. Now, this is a backup battery bank, and what this means is, let's say you have this key hidden somewhere, or you lose this key, and you've been relying on just this key and your keypad. Well, let's say your batteries die, and you no longer can use the keypad. It doesn't work. Well, you put batteries inside here. You then pull this out, and you stick this underneath. So there's going to be a little port underneath here, and you just push it in. Once you push it in, it's actually going to supply power to your keypad, and you can enter your password, and then you can unlock it without having to deal with anything, and then you can go ahead and put new batteries in. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty cool. These safes are very nice. Highly recommend them.